is here. That's a short thing. Come back. What are you bringing for me? Hi guys, long time no vlog. How you guys doing? It's been a while. So today is Friday. I hope you guys came back and said that we should dress up to go out. It's been a while. So I just finished dressing the kid up. Let me show you guys what he's wearing. Daddy, say hi. Hey. Say hi. Hi. So I just want to quickly dress up, and I'm not wearing any makeup. See, my goal these days is just to go out without any makeup. I'm thinking of trying false lashes to bring out more, make my face look more nice. So yeah, that's just about it. So let me transform in 1, 2, 3. Well, how was that transition? Anyways, you guys, I'm ready. You really know this hair from you know who, Change Signature on Instagram. So I'm wearing this dress from December, last year December. I've never actually worn this dress out, to be sincere. So I'm so glad I can finally wear it. Can you see that? Let me know if I can get it. Whose Wi-Fi do you want to use? Adam, he's not seeing you.
Adam's gonna say hi.
Hi guys, so we are here. I've been working for like 30 minutes and I'm very, very tired. I want to go. To be sincere with you, but this place is very, very nice. I'm so angry because I could not meet those people that do the handcraft handbag basket. They're already closed, they're gone. But hopefully I'll come back for it. So yeah.
You can see fish.
This kind of fish is there for film. What this horror movie you use with this fish?
I already crossed the belt.
What?
You can see fish.
Is it edible? Come on, my chill.
Colors.
I'm very big, oh.
So they do catch this food. Are they eating enough corn? Yeah.
Melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You were just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져. Something in my heart. 이 맘 전하고 싶어. When you ring my valentine. Someday you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고 With you by my side 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳 I can see you through a little far away
Hi guys, so I'm in the market. I'm already done with buying what I came here to buy. So the place I parked is just stuck. It's just stuck with cars. Like they're blocking the whole road. I'm supposed to go out, and so many people already here that want to leave. I'm very very tired. I've not eaten since morning. I don't even know what these people are doing. Seriously. So I just came to update you guys. So we came back yesterday. We went to sorry if I say a car Atlantic, yeah, that apartment place. That place is very very nice, but fucking expensive. You guys, an apartment there is selling for $1 million. Then service charge per month is 600 and something thousand naira. And if you want to rent it for a day, let me just say a night, it's 130k, and that's for 2 bedroom. 3 bedroom is 140k. It's actually a nice place, yeah. But see, this life, I must make money in this life. Oh God. Anyways, you guys, the agenda now is just to get home. I've already prepped everything. You guys, DK is starting school on Monday. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And I know I'm going to be stressed out too, but I'm excited because he's actually starting his journey of being a graduate. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Please, if you have watched this part of this video, please do it to subscribe and like. If you have not liked this video, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, yeah, I didn't come to the market like this. Actually, I came with a bucket hat. Yeah, pray you guys to come for me. So here's the update. Okay, they're already passing people. So today DK is starting school. Today is the school day. Yeah. Daddy, are you ready? Are you ready? Yay! You are?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And let's go. Hi guys, so I just dropped DK in school. Oh my God, I can't, at this point I can't wait for them to be done, like for it to reach 2 o'clock, then I carry my child. Oh my God, I don't even know what I'm doing. Anyways, I went to get some things for the house. My car is filled up, like a bunch of things. So today's agenda is just to go and chill and wait for time to go and get my child. Yeah guys, and I can't wait to see his face when I go to get him. So that's the update, you guys. Let me clear my car. Hi guys. Look who is here.
Hi guys.
So we want to go and pick DK, but before they will have something else to do. So she came to visit today. This idiot, this mad child.
Hi guys.
They've heard. Hi guys.
I like.
You like YouTube, but you don't want to open your own channel. No, nobody even cared to open gates. Not for this guy. Say bye.
Okay, come. Don't go too far. Tell go too far.
Takwa gị gwa m ihe mma agwa mpa gị. Hold him biko.
Yeah, I can't take it. Come, let me hold you. Oh, yeah.
Carry your pampers bomb and shift. Will you miss me? You come back now.
You have to go now.
That's a short thing. Come back. What are you bringing for me? Hello, daddy. Daddy's girl. DK. You and your small self.
Let me check.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can. Surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest, and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. And there's no more fears left in me. I can see you light my way, and you're always near.
Hi guys. So before I end this vlog, I came here to chat with you guys. So it's been 3 days now since DK started school. And do you know the funny part? He went to school the first day, he did not cry. Second day, he did not cry. Third day, he did not cry. And that's a good sign, because it won't be hard for us to, take him to school and everything. He's always so excited to go to school. And I hope that it continues like that. So yeah. Anyways, I took him to school this morning. This is like a few minutes to 12. And very soon the school will be a few hours time. I'm going to go and pick him. Anyways, so guys, I want to tell you guys about my reasons for always will I say always? Let me just say always, because it's been like twice I've done it. I always like take a break, maybe 2 weeks or a week, then I'm back again on YouTube. To be sincere with you guys, it's been like how many years here on this platform, and if I tell you that I'm not tired and that I'm stressed about everything, I'm not even asking for like so many views or so many subscribers. I just want to be seeing like visual progress. Like today I'll get like this week I'll get like 10 extra subscribers, new comments from different people, like people that have never commented on my video before. I don't know, everybody that I've gone to that are doing well on YouTube keep on telling me consistency. And me, I am tired. That consistency is not it. I don't believe that consistency is even anything with this YouTube, seriously, because you see somebody that upload. I know so many people on this platform that upload once a week and they're already monetized. I know so many people on this platform that upload once in 2 weeks. They're already monetized and they're already cashing out. I'm not even asking for what I'm asking for is not even much, to be sincere. I just want to tell you guys how I feel. I'm not even asking for like too many subscribers or views or all this. I just want to be seeing like progress. You know, every day you see new person, extra views unlike before. So you guys, I've decided to be uploading once a week because it's really stressful that I upload 2 times a week. If you guys can remember, there was one time I did 3 times a week, and I know how stressful that one was, to be sincere with you guys. Jesus. So 2 times a week still it wasn't working. I've decided to be uploading once a week. I'm not yet monetized. I'm not seeing any visual progress or any of that. So therefore I'm going to be uploading once a week, which is Friday, and that's it. Once a week I'm okay. Like, I don't want to be stressing myself about this thing anymore. I love it here. I love YouTube, to be sincere with you guys. That's why I keep on coming back. Even after I say I am done, I am done. I am done. That's what I will tell my friends. And they'll be like, no, don't do this, don't do this. And they encourage me, and I'm back again. Seriously, I really want to do this YouTube thing, but I just want to start moving on a pace that I can actually, work with. So I'll be uploading once a week. That's it. I don't want to drag this conversation for too long, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment, share. It really does help. Even if you don't like the video, please dislike it. It still does help, okay? It helps YouTube. Recommend it to people and recommend it to any kind of person that they think that might actually like to see it. So that's that about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you guys understand my situation and how I feel about the whole thing. So yeah, no, we're not stopping this YouTube. We're still moving, okay, until I find, unless I find something that actually gives me more money and more, when once money enter this YouTube thing, once this money starts working here, it's a game changer for me, because I'll see something that will make me to actually move more and more and progress more and do more videos and research and all of that. But for now, I have so many videos that I would like to film for you guys, but I'll be uploading once a week. That's the only way I can keep up with all this. My mental health is at stake at this point. Let me tell you guys the truth. Sometimes I'm mentally not just I'll be like, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Where am I getting it wrong? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing right, left? Let me know. I keep on researching so many different videos. You guys don't understand. Unless you're on this YouTube platform and you have, okay, this is my 4th year on YouTube. August 10th, maybe August, first week of August, between that period, that's my 4th year on this YouTube, and we're still I can beat Yaliaka. Oh my god. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.